Hi guys, so today I'm going to teach you how to do a moonwalk on the ice. No one has ever taught me this on the ice formally. I had to learn off the ice, I mastered it, and then I applied the same principles to the ice. And I'm going to teach you what I know, so stay tuned. Alright, so toe kick in, and you slide this one back straight, locked to you. You switch feet, toe kick in, press your weight over this foot, slide back, toe kick in, slide, in, slide, in, slide. So again, think of the sequence, toe kick in, weight over the foot. This is the bent leg right here. Toe kick in, weight over the foot. The other foot slides back. This one right here will slide back. So again, weight over this foot, bend the knee. This one slides, and then you switch. So now this one's bent, and the other one slides back. Keep alternating in a smooth fashion. Keep practicing, you'll get it. So it'll be like that, like that. One slides, one thing. So again, toe kick in, slide, in, slide, in, slide, in, slide. All right, guys, once you get comfortable with the footwork, you can add some shoulders and arms, but mainly let the movement come from your torso, your lats, your chest, your shoulders, and the arms will follow as a response. So what I mean is you can do things like, I like to actually roll my shoulders forward as I'm moonwalking. You can roll them back. You can alternate them either way. You can place an arm, maybe. If you would like to improve your skating, please smash that subscribe button, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.